Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great and in good health. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, we're all about learning new skills, staying motivated, and growing in life. Whether you're looking to improve yourself personally or professionally, you're in the right place. So, let's learn, grow, and achieve success together. Our today's class topic is blogging for students, benefits and strategies for maximum earnings. So let's start without wasting our time. Blogging is a dynamic platform for sharing ideas, building a personal brand, and earning income. For students, it's a low-cost, high-reward opportunity to turn passions into profits while developing lifelong skills. The benefits of blogging for students include skill development, where you can hone clear, engaging writing, learn keyword research, analytics, and online promotion, and master content monetization and audience building. There's also passive income potential, allowing you to earn money through ads, affiliate links, and digital products, even while focusing on studies. Additionally, blogging provides networking opportunities, connecting you with industry experts, brands, and potential employers. For example, a tech blog could lead to internships or freelance gigs. It also helps in personal branding, showcasing your expertise, and can enhance your academic performance by reinforcing course knowledge, such as an engineering student explaining complex concepts. To maximize earnings, start with niche selection. Remember the rule: the riches are in the niches. Examples include study hacks, budget travel, and sustainable living. Avoid overly broad topics and focus on specificity. Create content that converts by solving problems, addressing student pain points like how to save money on textbooks, and optimizing for SEO using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to target low-competition keywords. Consistency is key, so aim to post 1 to 2 times a week to build trust and improve search rankings. Monetization strategies include affiliate marketing by promoting products relevant to your audience, sponsored posts where you charge brands for reviews or mentions, and ad revenue through platforms like Google AdSense or Mediavine, which requires 50K plus monthly traffic. You can also sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses, and offer freelancing or coaching services based on your niche, such as essay editing or fitness coaching. For audience growth, utilize social media by sharing snippets on Instagram and TikTok with links to your blog. Build an email list with free lead magnets like 10 free productivity tools, and collaborate by guest posting on established blogs or inviting influencers for interviews. Time management tips include batching content by writing multiple posts during weekends, repurposing content by turning blog posts into YouTube videos or infographics, and automating tasks using tools like Canva for graphics and Buffer for social scheduling. Let's look at some case studies of student bloggers who made it. The College Life Hacks blog earns $2K per month via affiliate links for laptops and dorm essentials. A study abroad blogger partners with travel agencies for sponsored trips, and a coding student sells $15 ebooks explaining Python basics. Be aware of pitfalls to avoid, such as ignoring SEO, which can lead to stagnating earnings, inconsistency in posting that hurts growth, and over-monetizing too soon, which can detract from providing value. Here's an action plan for students. Start a free blog on WordPress or Medium. Pick a niche aligned with your passions. Create 10 high-quality posts before monetizing, and promote via Pinterest and Instagram weekly. Blogging empowers students to earn, learn, and build a career simultaneously. With strategic effort, your blog can become a profitable asset long after graduation. Start today. Your audience is waiting. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Facebook community. You can also visit our blog. Links are in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.